Hello. So today is our first meeting and discussion for Lex 2014 Travelot. So we are from Group 7. So before beginning the discussion, I think each of us have to self-introduction first. Yeah, so begin from you.
My name is Chan Wan Ing from Consumer Studies and live in K6
Oh, okay.
Matrix 174580.
Okay. I'm Ray. You can call me Ray or either Raysia. Yeah, I'm studying also. I'm classmate of Wan Ying. I'm studying consumer studies and live in K5.
Okay, my name is Lai Cha Yi, and also classmate of Ray and Wan Ying. So live in K6.
My name is Christina. I'm taking Bachelor in Mathematics. I'm staying at home in Kajang. I'm Lim Eileen. I'm classmate of them too, and I'm staying in K6. I'm taking Consumer Studies.
My name is Loperation, and then we are the classmates, and then we stay at the same college K6, and then for me and Chia are the same
block.
Hometown. We are from Seremban.
Okay, so because of the first meeting, our lecturer have briefed some of the content of our lex, right? And I know some of you didn't attend, but never mind. There are some reminder from our lecturer. So actually we have this form. This form is the attendance list, which we have to sign every week of the meeting. Okay, and another one is this identity form, which is to allow us to go, maybe because this travelog we are going to visit some places in or near to UPM. So mean if we go outside of the UPM, we may need this form to ensure
To show them.
yeah, we can go out.
Not to show them.
Actually,
we will
that
bear
is
our
for
risks.
insurance.
It's for lecturer and us between lecturer and us to ensure that we go out we bear our own responsibility. Okay, let's us begin the discussion. So actually today we are giving the task with get to know each other and discuss how to manage the group and the task. Okay, so for this Lex 214, we are required to have a 12, because it's a 12 point Lex. So we required to have a 12 meeting. Yeah, it's equivalent to 12 point means have a 12 meeting and discussion. So each week we have to submit a 10 minutes group discussion video, means the video we are recording now, and 2 to 5 minutes of individual reflection video. This video from our lecturer, she mentioned it, and actually it's a video that we are going to answer some questions provided by our lecturer. Yeah, I think mostly it's based on a feeling, like we see what have we learned and what have we. Yeah, I think it's
Reflection.
reflection about the discussion today. Okay, then I think discuss more on Lex lah, since we got some times. The lecturer in the past meeting, actually the lecturer have tell us on what actually we're going to do. We're going to like set one teams, and two teams, sorry, actually it's two teams, because we have to go for 6 places and two brochures.
Two different teams.
Two different teams mean each brochure have one teams, and one team's required to go 3 places. Yeah, so now today we since we are at the first meeting, we will discuss it on the next meeting lah. Okay, so
And about the places, that day she told us that you can either choose it's a known place with an unknown facility. Maybe you can go to Bukit Expo and you know it's a jogging place, but you don't know there are other facilities like kayaking and wall climbing. And you can either choose a unknown place with an unknown facility. Somewhere we have never been before and we don't know what is the facility there, so we can all go in a group and discover that place. So there are the requirements for the places actually.
It's like around UPM or inside UPM also can.
Yeah, sure.
Actually got some example given. Is it we can choose a theme like fun, horror or inspiring lah. This is some example horror. Yeah. Maybe some secret story on the college or the faculty. Yeah. Now might we discuss it on the next meeting lah. Yeah. Since today we are going to like discuss how to manage the group and the task. So
So like how upload the video like YouTube or
Using
Edmodo.
YouTube.
We first have to upload to YouTube, right?
yeah.
YouTube, and then someone
We
will
share the
post
link.
the link
Ah,
in the Edmodo. We have the Edmodo group, so
can
you
I
have
have the
to.
code because
you
The
missed
code.
it.
I didn't attend.
It is N3
N3
N
Uh-huh.
65
665
S.
S. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Everything is
Inside
Inside,
lecturer have
upload
uploaded the slide about what is this course about. Yeah.
Oh,
So we can refer it on the Edmodo.
Okay, so we upload the video in the YouTube and
Mm-hmm.
post the link in Edmodo.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Actually, lecturer have submitted. If you got view these few days, he has submitted like assignment already, so we can turn in inside. Yeah. The due date is the due date is 22nd of March next week. Yeah. Okay. So let us back to the topic and to discuss how to manage the group and the task. Okay, since we have to uploaded the video every week, right?
Yes.
So I think to share our burden, I think each of us have to in charge for each week lah.
Yes.
Yeah.
12 weeks. So
Firstly, we have
each
to
one
create
need
the
to-
account first, for the
Mm.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have to create the account.
So we have to create an account and share the password so that everyone
yeah.
Okay, so I think we create a Gmail lah, better Gmail. So the name we use group 7 no? Lex 2014 group 7
and Gmail.
at gmail.com. Okay, so the password is what?
Who want to create it later?
I create later lah, after this video record.
Then you share with us the password lah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the account we use to upload the video. Okay, good. So the next one, just now we mentioned about to share the burden, right? To upload the video. So since we got 6 of us, so means each person have to in charge for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So twice. So let us discuss who are going to upload for today first, right?
You are going to create the account.
And then directly you upload.
Okay. So I think each person continuous in charge for the 2 weeks. Oh no, have to different person, right?
Yes.
So every week.
So we
Every
take
week
turns.
take turns
We take a
ah.
cycle, right? Then another one repeat again the cycle. Okay, that's good.
Then the first one is you lah.
Okay. The next one.
Me.
You lah. And then third one can I
Yes.
Volunteer my turn.
So many volunteer. I want.
Okay, next one. The fifth one.
Me.
Okay. And last one is Christina.
Yes. And then back to Rhea again.
Okay. So take this cycle lah. Okay.
Okay.
So I think until the first brochure, we already decided for the 6 videos.
Yeah.
The uploader.
Because next week we are going to discuss about the themes and everything. So I think in the 5th or 6th week we will come out the places and have the idea about the brochure. Okay. Then the last.
Time.
Oh, time. Yeah.
I think we can all agree.
For this time, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have decided to use to fix our daily weekly meeting lah, I think, right? Yeah, since we are all convenient with this time, so we are set to have meeting every Tuesday, right? 5 to 7. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, everyone agree?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, sure. So our weekly meeting will be at Tuesday and 5 to 7 p.m. The location should be at library lah, as usual lah. Okay.
How about we appoint a group leader?
Oh, I haven't appointed.
Only men in the group.
Yeah, thank you for choosing me. I feel like I don't have a choice. So I would like to conclude about the discussion today. So just now we know each other already. So and we discussed briefing about what is Lex about and what we're going to do, and we decided to we allocate the task for each of us, like to upload the videos and everything, and we set the meeting for every week. Okay, that's all for today. I think anyone want to add on something about this discussion before?
See you next week.
Don't be late.
Bye.
Okay, see you.